Hey everybody, we've got the little green truck that we have named Kiwi out here across the street from where we've been working on it at Steve's AccuTune, and we are in the Fine Arts parking lot, so there's nobody here today, and we're getting it closer to getting it insured and tagged. So Sophia's out here filming, and I'm going to get in the truck and I'm going to show you that it's running under its own power, and we've only checked out one gas tank because we have to get a filler neck for the second one. But it's just something to show that, you know, it's running now. So let's go see how. So y'all got to see it go from not running to running, albeit not complete. That is a new fuel tank and a new sending unit in the front position, in the midship position. So we just wanted to get one tank in there with gas right now. We have to find a filler neck that will fit the gas cap so we can test that one before we put the bed on. But other than that, our fuel system redo works great. So both gas tanks replaced, both fuel sending units replaced, new fuel filter, all the injectors have been cleaned and reinstalled and fired right up. So we're really happy. Once we lit it up, we were able to read the dash, and it's only got 111,000 miles on it, which we didn't know how many miles were on the truck when we got it. So we're excited. Hope y'all are too, and we'll show us putting the bed on, which is something that's really easy to do if you have to work on your gas tank, as long as you have a couple of people to help you. I think it's the better route to do when you have a fuel pump issue. All right, thank you.